Hello everyone, welcome to the second week of our data analytics or business analytics class. In our second week, you should have already submitted your assignment number one. And assignment number one is a rather, I would say, very easy assignment, but it does have something that I intentionally designed to confuse you. The confusion part is usually coming from the second part of the assignment, where you have to create category for each one of the software. Um, Categorizing software or anything is actually not a very easy job. It involves a lot of the so-called analytic skill to do so. And you have to understand the nature of that particular, in this case, tools to be effectively put them into different category. Now, in this exercise, I introduced some of the most popular tools that use in data science or data analytics that is pursued by most of the employer. So at least you get exposed to the name of these package. For example, two of the easy tool that to be used in the five categories are the Tableau and the Power BI. These two are considered something what we call visualization tool, used to present and sharing data analysis and report to a broader or targeted audience. And the R and SPSS are two software package tool that we consider them as more a machine learning, or both of them are originally designed for statistical analysis, and over time it evolved into a tool that can be script or in a way that as a programming language, or they can be used to combine with the other tool to provide a more big data machine learning type of exercise or algorithm. And the third category actually that in this exercise, broadly speaking, is the Python language. And Python language by itself is a full functional programming language. And because the package go with Python language, it make it a powerful data science tool as well. So in today's world, if you want me to recommend one tool that you will learn as a multifunction like Swiss Army type, knife type of a tool, will be the Python language. But of course, different company, different role, different position will require different skill. But hopefully through this exercise, you'll get some sense out of what this tool is designed for, and who are using or which company is owning the tool. And I create a document. If you go into your module 1A at the end, I release a document called assignment 1 solution. This is not, 100% like a solution that have to be the right answer, but it is something close to what I intend you to do as a perfect assignment submission, if you want to call that. And so if you look at your assignment, if you get deduct a point or two, you might want to take a look at the solution to see if you agree or disagree on what I present there. And I have also recorded as a video from previous semester. This is, I think, recorded from spring, no, actually fall 2020. So you can take a look at this video. I do provide some feedback that over there to address some of the common concern. So that's about assignment number one. Now, week number two, we are actually moving into this module called Module 1B. And in Module 1B, I do not have any assignment due for you. So, but instead of actually working on an assignment, what I have in mind for you to do is work on the reading part, reading chapter number one. Hopefully you already get a textbook already, and browse through the chapter to see anything you find interesting. You might want to bring it to our discussion forum to talk about it. If not, try to take the quiz about chapter one, and that will be the way that you can prepare for the upcoming midterm in about three weeks or so. And also in week number 2, that you have another important job, that is going to linking learning. This is the environment that we have a lot of this learning tool. If you really like to learn, the free tools out there is more than you can select. And what I have done here is I select a course that I feel like it presents some of the information that is not 100% covered by our textbook, and they look at the data analytics from a different view. So take a look at this course and also prepare a few questions that you can answer. Going to the practice quiz question area, you can take a look at what information I want you to remember. So that's about week number 2 here as the progress or the thing you need to do. But I also open up module 2A. Module 2A is actually designed for week number 3. So you will be working on this for next week. And we do have one assignment number 2, that going to module 2A. In module 2A, next week I will introduce one more time. But if you have more time and eager to learn, this is especially true when you are at week number 1 of your class. Going to module 2A, you can start working on something that I prepare outside of the textbook in the format of a tutorial. You can start playing with this tutorial to see some of the technology I want you to see. Right. So those are the assignment that and the tutorial I want you to know for week number 2. And I didn't show my video today because my room is a little bit messy today, but I will show my video and to interact with you, at least broadcast myself to you in our next video. Very good job done in assignment number 1. If you haven't turned in assignment 1 yet, please do so as soon as you can. There is a penalty for late assignment, late submission. So try to keep up with the schedule of our class, and you will be doing just fine and learn a lot more in this particular class. All right, so talk to you next week in our another weekly summary of your class.